What's up everyone? It's Ayaz and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of Fiverr and showing you how to build a thriving freelancing career on this platform. We'll break down the entire process from setting up your profile to optimizing your gigs for maximum visibility and earnings. This video is all about avoiding mistakes and setting yourself up for success. So if you're ready to turn your skills into a source of income, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started. First things first, you need to create an account on Fiverr. It's free and easy. Just head over to fiverr.com and click on the join button. Choose a professional username and upload a high-quality profile picture. Fill out your profile to sell yourself to potential clients. Highlight your skills, experience, and education. Be specific about what you offer. Make your profile visually appealing and easy to navigate. Now that you have a profile, it's time to figure out what services you're going to offer. Assess your skills and identify what you're good at. Do some market research on Fiverr. Look for gaps in the market you can fill. Offer something unique or different. The more specialized you are, the easier it will be to attract clients. Your Fiverr gigs are your product listings. Create a clear, concise, and attention-grabbing title with relevant keywords. Write a detailed description of your services and be specific about deliverables. Research pricing and set competitive rates. Offer different packages to cater to various budgets. Choose relevant tags and categories for your gig. Tags help buyers find your gig and improve your visibility on Fiverr. To attract buyers, you need to optimize your gigs for both the Fiverr algorithm and potential clients. Use relevant keywords in your gig title, description, and tags. High-quality images and videos can make a huge difference. A compelling gig video can significantly increase your conversion rate. Build a strong portfolio with samples of your previous work. This helps build trust and credibility with potential buyers. Don't just rely on Fiverr's platform to bring you clients. Promote your gigs through social media, your website, or blog. Share your Fiverr gig links on your social media profiles and embed them in blog posts. Engage in relevant online communities and forums related to your niche. Networking is key. Connect with other freelancers and join relevant groups. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract your first few clients. Once you start receiving orders, communication is key. Respond to messages promptly and keep your clients updated on the progress of their orders. Deliver high-quality work that you're proud of. Positive reviews, repeat business, and referrals are crucial. Pay attention to details and follow instructions carefully. A little extra effort goes a long way in building trust and establishing yourself as a reliable freelancer. Customer service is paramount in the freelancing world, and Fiverr is no exception. Be responsive, attentive, and go the extra mile to ensure client satisfaction. If a client requests revisions, be open to making them promptly and professionally. Positive feedback and reviews are essential for building your reputation on Fiverr. Encourage satisfied clients to leave a review after completing an order. The world of freelancing is constantly evolving. Continuously improve your skills and stay updated with the latest industry trends. Regularly review and update your gigs to reflect your current skills and offerings. The more you invest in yourself and your skills, the more successful you'll become on Fiverr. Fiverr provides valuable analytics that offer insights into your gig performance. Track your gig views, clicks, orders, and revenue. Experiment with different strategies and track the results. The more you understand your audience, the better equipped you'll be to optimize your gigs for maximum success. So there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to succeeding on Fiverr. Building a successful freelancing career takes time, effort, and dedication. Focus on delivering exceptional service and building strong relationships with your clients. By following these steps and staying committed to your freelancing goals, you can achieve incredible things on Fiverr. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos about freelancing, personal finance and entrepreneurship.